Imagine finding headphones that deliver powerful dynamic sound, built for tough real-world use and offer incredible versatility, all without demanding your entire paycheck. As someone who reviews studio headphones regularly, including the AII TMA Move, I'm always looking for that perfect balance between sound quality, comfort, and durability. I'm always looking for that perfect balance between sound quality, comfort, and durability. And today I've got a budget option that really did surprise me. I'm Andrew from Mr. Hough, and this full hands-on review of the OneOdio Studio Pro 10 wired over-ear headphones, as you can see just here. These guys aren't just another pair of cheap cans. They're made for studio monitoring, DJ setups, mixing, and just straight up music lovers who want clarity, punch, and rugged performance, but without the premium price tag. And as you can see, there they are just there. A nice bunch of headphones, and look, put them on my head just there. Look how they fit so nicely. In this video, I'll unbox the Pro 10s, show you their handling features, cable setup, dive deep into sound performance, compare them to other studio style headphones I've tested like the TMA Move, and give you a real world verdict after hours of use. So guys, let's jump into it. And remember, we're giving away over $4,000 of prizes. Check links below and subscribe and click notification button to get updated of all the new ones. Anyway, let's jump into it. Right out of the box, the OneOdio Studio Pro 10 make a strong first impression. They're packed with practicality. Inside, you get the headphones themselves, a soft carry pouch, a coiled 6.35mm to 3.5mm cable for DJ gear or amps, and a straight 3.5mm cable with a built-in mic, phone, or casual use. The headphones themselves in the hands here feel solid. Guys, they are plastic, but reinforced, and a joint to design for abuse, rotating 90 degrees on the cups and 180 on the arms. Perfect for one-ear DJ monitoring. Although I keep on finding, when I'm using them, I always get them the wrong way around, so I've always got to remember. Flat, and the ear cups are plush with decent padding. Definitely not flimsy. And on your ear, they actually do feel like the real quality when they're on your heads. Color options are available, but the focus here is all about function. I love gear that just gets to the point, and that's exactly what the Pro 10 does. And just there, as you can see how it fits really well on my head, and they feel really, really nice. One of the standout features is the dual input ports. You've got a 3.5mm on one side, 6.35mm on the other, and the cables are reversible. No more searching for adapters. As you can see, there's the cables just there, and you've got the plugs just there that go into either side. And even better, you can actually daisy chain another pair of headphones from the spare port. Whether you're reviewing a track with a friend, teaching a class, or playing guitar with someone else monitoring, this is next level flexibility. Compared to the III TMA Move, which is more modular and minimal, the OneOdio goes full utility mode. It's ready for every cable, every setup, and every scenario. Let's talk about the sound, because in these they have 50mm drivers. Now these drivers push out a bold, bass-driven sound. If you're into beats, hip-hop, or EDM, you'll love it. It's not a flat studio monitor response like some higher-end headphones. This is designed to move you. Bass hits hard, sometimes too hard actually, so it's not surgical for critical mixing, but for DJ sets or casual listening, it's a lot of fun. Mids are slightly recessed, but can still carry vocals well, and the highs stay clean without piercing. There's energy in the sound, not precision, but vibe. For reference, when I did the III TMA Move, it had a more restrained and neutral tone. It was better for accuracy, but the Pro 10, guys, it's built for impact. For under $50, the sound profile is very impressive. How about comfort? Well, as you can see, putting on my head, the comfort-wise gets it mostly right. Cups are soft, the padding is good, and the headband is very flexible. But if you've got big ears, you might find ear cups a bit shallow. They sit on, not fully around your ears, and I can see, yeah, mine don't fit into the ear cups, but I don't think that's a problem. After 2 to 3 hours though, I did feel a little bit of pressure on the crown because it's quite tight. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of if you're mixing long sessions. But compared to the ultralight TMA Move, the Pro 10s are a lot chunkier, but they do feel like they'd last a lot longer if tossed into a DJ bag. So it really depends, guys, on what you want. I use the Pro 10s during my daily walks, while exercising, and even here at the beach. As you can see, I'm here at the Gold Coast. Despite being wide, they stay snug and comfortable during movement, and they've handled sweat and real-world conditions with ease. Whether I'm walking, editing, or just vibing to music outdoors, they've held up better than expected. Joints to the hinges to the cables, OneOdio Studio Pro 10 is built for wear and tear. This is gear you can throw in your backpack, gig bag or suitcase without worrying. I've taken mine to indoor sessions, coffee shops, and even out to location. And they've held up very, very well. And I also use them to do quite a lot of editing of my videos. Because I plug in the cable, plug it into my computer, and I can use it to track what's going on with the videos. This is the tank in your arsenal if you want something that's got a bit of oomph to it. So here's my take. The OneOdio Studio Pro 10 is one of the best budget studio style headphones I've tested this year. You get deep, powerful bass, soft handling, adapter-free setup, and a rugged build, all for around $50. Guys, are they perfect? No. The bass can overwhelm and the comfort might not suit everyone. But if you're a DJ, music creator, podcaster, or just someone who wants big sound on a budget, these deliver. If I had to pick between the TMA2 Move and the Pro 10, I'd take the III for critical editing and the OneOdio for blasting music, monitoring sessions, and pure fun. But both of them together are a great combo, and I do recommend both of them. So I hope you like seeing the comparison between both of them. Again, it gives you a bit of an idea about which ones work. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer a more neutral sound or bass-forward headphones like these? And if you want to check my current pricing or grab your own pair, links are in the description below. And again, we're giving away over $4,000 worth of prizes. At the moment, it's the JBL Tour 1 M3 you can win. So check links below to enter. I'm Andy from Mr. Hough. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.